Hey, what's up you guys? Thanks for clicking on my video. Today I will be working with MyLoveHair. So it just came in that cute little blue bag and it came with the wig cap and the wig, of course. And here is the wig straight out of the bag. Pretty full curls. This is a 4x4 closure unit, so it's going to be very easy to glue down and apply. I'm just showing you the inside here. It's 2 combs on the outside and 1 at the bottom. And I don't think there was one in the inside. I just used my lace tint to, brown the tint a little bit. I don't think this is my shade, but it worked just fine. I didn't have to bleach the knots or anything. So now let's get into applying this wig. So I used the Got2b glue to just slick my hair back because I do have a widow's peak. So I have to pull the hair forward a lot more than usual. Like the big forehead girls, y'all can just pull it anywhere, as far as you want to, but mine is literally like right on top of my eyebrows. So you see that I'm pulling it forward and my hair is still trying to show through, but I got it pulled to where it needed to be. So right here I'm just showing you the Got2b glue gel and the free spray that I'll be using. And you just want to apply a thick layer of that. Make sure it's thinned out though, but you want to apply enough, so the wig will hold down. And then on top of that, I'm just going to spray the Got2b glue free spray. And then I get out my blow dryer, which is set to cool. I don't set it to warm because it'll leave that white cast that we do not want. So I'm just pulling it all the way forward and taking my skinny tooth comb and just pushing that into the lace. And you can also take the end of the comb and you just want to blow dry it on cool, like I said. So now I get my Pump It Up spritz. This is just like a old school Got2b glue, basically. But I still love it. It still works magic. And you just want to take your hot comb and just press that in. I swear using this with your hot comb is a game changer. Also, using your wax stick with your hot comb is also a game changer with getting the front of your hair flat. I do have a wax stick, which I'll be applying probably after this because I used both, honey. My lace was laid, I'm trying to tell you. It was flat. And so now I'm taking my rat tail comb and just elongating my part. This is a 4x4, which means it's 4 across and 4 to the back. So it really wasn't that much parting space, but it was a good amount. So I'm going to continue to spray that and just lay the hair down by the part. Now I'm taking my wax stick, which I will link everything down in the description box below for you guys, and I'm just going over that and repeating the same step that I just did before. So now I'm taking my elastic band to, just melt everything into place. I got this from Walmart in the arts and crafts section. It was about like $4.99, so it's very inexpensive. And you can also purchase elastic bands on Amazon. So while that sets, I am going in and just spraying the hair with water. The curls were already, defined and pretty, and I had a little bit of shedding, but that's normal with curly units. You're going to get a little bit of shedding. So now I'm just going to go in with my mousse. You want to use mousse when you're trying to get like a light, fluffy hold, because mousse is not going to hold your curls all day long. It's going to get poofy throughout the day, especially if you're in a humid environment. So for a good hold, use a gel and a curling cream and stuff like that, like you would on your regular natural curly hair routine. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this unit into slits. It's good to, you know, cut it into parts so you could just do one side and then do the other. So I took some fresh new razors because, you know, you need sharp razors to do this part right here. And this is the part that I always mess up on. Like, this is the part that I need to practice because I feel like I always mess up right here because my widow's peak, it just comes through every time. But I have seen a tutorial where the girl cuts like her widow's peak a V in the lace, so it will cover her widow's peak. Maybe I'll try that next time, I don't know. But yeah, melted honey. Okay, period. And then you just want to seal the deal with some more spray, and we're gonna tie with the elastic one more time after this. Okay, honey, we are back. Makeup is applied, you feel me? Looking like a whole new person. So I'm just getting some water and a rag and just going over the areas that did turn a little white or got flaky a little bit. So that will happen sometimes. You can take, you know, water or alcohol, whatever you choose, and just, you know, wipe that on away. It's no big deal. And honey, she is melted, but of course me, I'm going to do some baby hairs. This, if your lace is showing a little bit, this will conceal it even more. And you see the flakes, you just go in, you know, take your water, take your rag, don't worry about it, just relax, you know, and just get it on out. It comes out super easy, don't worry. Because when I first started doing these installs, I would get like glue and whiteness all over, and I would just like, I'd just be like, F it. But you know, so I'm just doing baby hair now, and I just put the hot comb to it like you saw, and I'm going to use my razor to just get, you know, them jagged edges. No perfect cuts is necessary for this. You want to cut little by little. You don't want to cut, you know, too short too soon because you can't put the hair back. And so now I'm just going on my edge control, and let me tell you, this edge control smells so good. It's the pineapple scent. I'll link that down in the description box also. And the baby hairs is a game changer, you feel me? So when you do these, you just want to pull them out all at the same time. That's where I messed up right here, but we're gonna fix it, we're gonna finesse it, and we're gonna get through it. Okay, period. You got to be patient with these, you know, steps. Because it's the cut in the it's cut in the lace that gets me and the baby hairs. So that's my two things that I just, you know, need to learn how to finesse and work. But you know, we're gonna get it right by the end of the video. Okay, so just stay tuned, you know, subscribe to the family, like this video, A for effort, you feel me? If you feeling this install, give me a like for sure, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching. Her name is Tattooed Curls, and peace. Y'all, I'm back. So this is what I mean when the baby hairs was trying to get the best of me. I'm trying to tell you, they were trying to put me under. So this is what I mean by just like pull the straight line across, pull it all out, pull all the baby hairs out, you know, brush it down with the edge control, and then just cut straight across. Okay, and then do your little swoops, and it's just so much easier that way. Like, we learning together. It's a process. Okay, all right, y'all, peace. right, y'all, I'm back for the third time. This is my last time coming back. But y'all, this is a game changer. The best $6 I have spent in this wig process. Let me tell you, this is the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation, the 3D Face Creator. And I will leave it in the link below. This is the RDF09, Tone 09. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but y'all, this is a game changer. Like, it'll make your unit look so neat and your parts look so neat. And if you mess up, you can always use mascara or the black spray, the black lace spray with a rat tail comb. But yes, you guys, definitely need this step. Okay? All right, y'all. Peace.